Morning, everyone. Just want to let everybody know we spent the night in Waynesboro, Georgia at a Hampton Inn. And they were very friendly people there. When we woke up this morning, we went down for the breakfast, and it wasn't a continental breakfast. It was a really good breakfast. They had gravy and biscuits. They had bacon, egg white omelets. They had oatmeal with lots of different toppings and cinnamon. They had 2 waffle irons. One was like little mini waffles, and then the other was a full waffle. Then in the little bar in the middle, they had some fruit, which there was some hard-boiled eggs, and you had to peel them. I ended up with a hard-boiled egg. They had the white ones and the brown eggs, which I thought was pretty cool. And then they had the cereals. They also had some regular juice that you could drink, and then the orange juice. But all in all, we had a really good night. The price was right. We used the AAA discount, and they did have a coffee bar. And Daryl, of course, ended up with the morning cup of joe. He loves his coffee in the morning. So we are on our way to Savannah, and there's a really cool 4-lane road here that we're taking. I thought we would be on an interstate from Augusta down to Savannah. But nope, that's not the way they made these roads, which is perfectly fine. And it's a Sunday morning, and we're just having a good time driving down the road. Take care.
This is around Waynesboro, Georgia. Seen this cotton field, so we thought we'd stop and take a video of it. First cotton we've seen in Georgia. Why are we on this road?
Because Tybee Island was really close to Savannah, so I said, let's go to Tybee Island. And I don't know where we are, but a while ago the Siri voice said that we were 10 miles from Tybee Island and Tybee Beach. So
starting to look resort-like.
Yeah, and it's very resort-like. A lot of inlets and lots of piers. From the big homes out to the water, and it looks like we've got a bridge that we're getting ready to cross here. Here's the Bull River Yacht Club. Yes, so that's where we're going.
Now I know where we're going. Okay.
And we're going to walk on the beach also when we get there.
Okay, I'm ready. We made it to Tybee Island, and this is just one of the streets we turned down, and we parked. Down there you can see the white truck, 11th Street, parked on 11th Street. And the way it works, there's a parking meter that you go to. You can park in spots on the side of the street, and you go pay for a ticket. And it's $4 for 2 hours. So we're here maximum of 2 hours. Probably not won't be here that long anyway, but this is the walkway we're going out. We're assuming the ocean is out here somewhere. I sure don't see any trees or anything, so I think there's water past this walkway. Walkways everywhere. Rita is taking her shoes off. Okay. Pants rolled up.
Feet naked.
Feet naked. Here we go.
It's pretty.
Yeah. A lot of water.
It's pretty. 1 mile. 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 1 there.
Hey.
We're hanging out in the swing at Tybee Island, and we walked almost down to the pier and picked up a few seashells along the way. And now we're just resting. We have a bottle of water also to enjoy. We've seen families with their little children who are maybe a year old enjoying the ocean and the beach for maybe the first time, I don't know. But there's all kinds of people out here on the beach just soaking it up.
We just ate at Savannah Seafood Shack. We're in downtown Savannah. Nice place.
I'm sure the park has a name, but I don't know what
A
it is.
big tree. Wow.
Beautiful.
And we got a fountain here.
We take a selfie with the fountain. Well, here we are headed back from Jekyl Island, which we just simply visited the Welcome Center, and I even read in the AAA book about how in 1947 some prominent billionaires in our country had bought this piece of property a long time ago, and in 47 the state of Georgia bought it from them to open as a state park because the family just kind of lost interest. That bridge over there to the right heads over to Brunswick, Georgia. It's the second bridge we've seen that is made like that today. I think it's really pretty. And then one of the other things that we saw as we were coming in was it's a port, I'm guessing where cars are delivered that are made for overseas. And here's the pretty gates. Boats was that we saw a while ago. But pretty entrance here at the main road. And there's the pretty bridge going over to Brunswick. But now we're programmed to head to Cocoa Beach. So Daryl's still driving and he's having a good day.
Having a time of my life.
Having a time of my life. But not sick as a dog like
I'm not sick as a dog.
on Andy Griffith. And now we're gonna have an apple as a snack to tie us over till supper. Okay, on the other side of the trees
Georgia Porch
is the lot where all those vehicles are parked. It's difficult to see them over there, but maybe we can see some at the top of this hill. There's a few there with the paper on them. And the only reason why we even really noticed this was we saw a truck, a 18-wheeler with some cars on it, and we thought, why in the world is an 18-wheeler coming this way or headed towards the interstate from Jekyl Island side? And then we crossed over and saw this, but they're loading them up on those train cars and they're loading them up on the 18-wheelers. So, mystery solved. As part 2 video comes to a close, we're heading to the Georgia-Florida line. Check out the next video, part 3, as we enter Florida on day 2 on our way to spend the night in Cocoa Beach.
Hey, if you liked this video, let us know by hitting that like button. And please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it.